What's up guys, it's Caitlin, and this week I am doing this makeup look for you. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys because I did this last year and I just really like filming makeup tutorials and I don't get to do it often, so I figured that I would film one for you guys. I hope you enjoy it and let's get started. Alright, to start off this makeup look I am going to be starting with the NARS concealer, and I'm just going to put that on all of the spots that I have, and then I'm going to go in with a different concealer for under my eyes to brighten them. Then I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles treatment concealer, and it's in Brightener / Illuminator. I use this all the time and I just use it for under my eyes because it brightens them up a little bit. So for foundation I actually use a mix of foundations. I use the Garnier Skin Active BB Cream 5-in-1 Miracle Skin Perfector for oily / combo skin. And I also use the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation because this one's too light but this one's too dark, and I like how the color is, and I like the coverage and how it stays on throughout the day, so I just mix those together on my hand and use my beauty blender to blend those as well. So now that I look pretty pale and ghost-like, I am going to let the foundation sit a little bit before I put powder on. I will do my eyes. So first I am going to be using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids and blend it out. For this look, I am going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette, and it looks like this. It is one of the most gorgeous palettes I have ever owned. So I'm going to be using this because I feel like it's very Valentine's Day-esque. So yeah, first I'm going to be putting Vermeer, this color right here, all over my lid to make it just a little bit brighter. And then I am going to be going in with, so I'm going to be kind of doing like a reddish look. So then I'm going to be going into Bon Fresco. I don't know how to say these names, but this pink one right next to it. And I'm going to put that all over my lid as well. Alright, then for the corner of my eyes, I am going to be using Red Ochre. I really don't know how to say it, but it's this red color, and I'm just going to be putting that in the crease of my eyes. It's pretty dark because I want this to be a little bit of a darker look, but you can put it on as much as you want, obviously. So that looks pretty crazy right now, but I swear it will look better. So yeah, just make sure you blend as much as you can. And then I'm going to be putting on eyeliner. So eyeliner, I am using the Vasanti Waterline eyeliner, and it's in Intense Black. I'm definitely probably saying that wrong. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of a wing and also on my waterline, but I don't touch the bottom of my eyes because I feel like my eyes look too small when I do that, so I'm not going to do that for this look, but is done, I'm going to go in with the Mega Plump Mascara from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to apply a pretty heavy layer of mascara because I want this to be sort of dramatic, but not too much. Now that it looks like this, I look kind of crazy because I don't have eyebrows on. So, mind the black, I got mascara in my hand, so yeah. Next I'm going to be powdering my face, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. And it looks like this. And I'm just going to be putting it on with the Real Techniques buffing brush. And I'm just going to put it all over my face. Not too much, because I find if I put a lot of this on, I can get kind of even more oily throughout the day, which doesn't make any sense to me, but it happens, so I don't put too much on. So next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I do my makeup in a really weird way, but I use the Ka-Brow by Benefit little thing, and I'm not going to show you how I do it because it's hard for me to do in general, so I'm going to turn the camera off and then be right back with my brows. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to be using the Essence Satin Touch Blush, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Then for highlight, I am going to be using the Illuminizer, and it is by The Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using, I don't really know, but it was in my Ipsy package, and I'm just going to put this on. I'm also going to go back in with the Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to just line the bottom of my eyebrow just for a little bit of glow. And a more of a precise line. Oh man, it got a nice. And just use my beauty blender to rub that in. And then I'm only going to be doing a little bit of bronzer, but then I'm going to be using the Tarte bronzer. For my lip color, I am going to be using this. It is Revlon Ultra HD Matte, and it is in the shade Rouge. I think it's called Rouge, I'm not really sure, but I love it. It's a liquid lipstick. Take my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, and I just spray that all over my face just to keep everything in place. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. That they will be at the end of the video and down below. And I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Even if you don't go out, I hope you have a good day. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!